We're gonna do chicken cutlets with an Asian stir fry. So we'll have a traditional, just a chicken cutlet. We'll do it thin, and got the white rice, and we'll do a bunch of veggies, celery, broccoli, carrot, onion, garlic. That's it. Kids will eat it all, cut it small. So start with the chicken, prepping the chicken. Got the chicken dried off, trimmed any of the unwanted pieces. Maybe one more. And now let's cut it in half. So cut a chicken breast in half. You get double the breading. Take it, lay it flat, and run it. Keep that nice knife. Keep the knife horizontal, nicely horizontal. And just let it slowly work its way through. Got the meat cut in fourth slices. Take a beater, or you could just use a pot also. Break it up. Just make the chicken more tender. And run your hand through it. You'll feel the difference of heights. When it needs a little more, a hump or not. Flip the meat, lightly beat it again. Keep beating. Good. Now you got a dry rub. We got chicken cutlets. You know, we're gonna serve it with like an Asian stir fry, but you could also use this for a salad the next day. So it's just a basic dry rub. Do garlic, onion, and this time just do a little Goya, a dodo. It's not a dodo. Adobo. There's no wrong when you're cooking in your own kitchen. Little onion. Little tip when you're breaking the eggs. My uncle, Italian guy, he knows what he's doing here. On the surface. Break the egg on the surface, a lot less shell. Beat up these eggs, get the little air, make it fluffy. Making chicken cutlets, you fork it, that's gonna only make it more tender. Look at that. You got 1 cup of white rice for 1.75 cups of water. So we did 2 cups of white rice, and we did 3.5 cups of water. That'll be enough for a family of 4 for dinner and lunches the next day. All right, so we got the chicken pretty much done. If you have any extra egg, you can double coat some of the chicken as well and just spread it out that way. Got the pans preheating, probably got about 3 to 5 minutes preheating, maybe with no oil, then add another 2 minutes. Once you add the oil, we'll stick with just olive oil for both the chicken and the veggies. I'm gonna start cooking the chicken. It's gonna take a lot longer to cook a 1.5 pounds of chicken. The veggies will take under 10 minutes to cook. You cook it at high, put the lid on it, you'll see. Veggies are probably 6 to 8 minutes at the most, not even, maybe 5 minutes. So the chicken's gonna take longer, we can start eating, and chicken can still be cooking, and that's the chicken that you have for the next day. So that's the plan, hopefully it works. Got 4 little cloves of garlic here. Is it a clove or a head or what? Could be too much for the average consumer. The sear, you get the sizzling, you know it's up to temperature. When that oil bubbles, good to go. So we've made the garlic and the onion, sauteed them a bit so they can cook ahead of all the other veggies we got here. Veggies are whatever you want. It's whatever you got in the fridge. It's whatever veggies your family that you eat. Keep it simple. So again, we just got the celery, the carrot, the broccoli, but we got the onion, the garlic. They'll add some good, nice flavor to it. And then for these veggies, we're gonna dump it in. And at that point, you're gonna stir it up with that garlic, onion. We brought the heat up a little bit, and we need a cover for this. For the sauces that we're gonna be adding to the veggies, we got an oyster sauce, just a general classic stir-fry sauce, your soy sauce, and your rice vinegar. Flavor, throw some ginger. Fresh ginger is obviously the best choice, but for weekday, simple. Let's get the top on it. Now you can give it a good shake. We got the veggies done. I like it done when the onions are soft and the broccoli is still crispy. That's the perfect balance for me. All right. Here we go. Weeknight stir fry. Give it a taste. It's gonna be good tonight, tomorrow. It's gonna feed the family 2 meals, and you can give it a shot. Tell me some good tips on stir fries. I'm Rob. You should subscribe. Subscribe now.